What's up, guys? Vital Fishing out here. On our way to Havasu.
March 29th?
March 29th, and they're going to be on beds. So that is going to be the main target this weekend.
Little 2-day trip.
Little 2-day trip to Havasu. Got Howard Z21, so
We're ready.
should be a good time. Alright, Howard and I are out here, Lake Havasu. Just launched, headed to the marina.
All right, let's hit it.
Howard's hooked up here. First fish of the day.
Real little guy.
It's a little smallmouth.
We're out of Havasu here, boys. Yeah, that'll be the smallest fish of the trip. That's pretty smally though. Dude, I'm tired of these little ones, okay? I'm pissed off.
Oh, you got him. That's a smallie.
Heading fish of the trip right here.
It's a pretty smallmouth right there.
Nothing special, but nice, beautiful smallmouth. We've been searching a lot today. I mean, we thought they would be locked on beds for sure. This is the first one we've actually found locked on fish though. Nice, beautiful smallmouth. Hopefully we find a few more for you guys.
See why you have that short leader. Way easier to cast.
Well, easier to catch and
Well, yeah, and easier to get like in a tight spot. This might be the ticket though, because it's smaller.
nice.
Oh, fighting a smallie. Look at you jumped out.
Who'd have thought it'd be worth it?
Didn't have to. That's a one straight up. Should we weigh him?
Yeah, we had.
All right, guys, we're gonna weigh this hogger. Fishing with Howard out here. Beautiful smallie though. Look at that. Bronze back, right? You're on camera. What do you got to say to the fans?
Hey, we're out here at Lake Havasu City, Spring Break 2018.
I think he had my bait in his mouth. What does he want? The lizard or the crawfish?
Well, he wanted mine. Oh, he's got it. He's got it.
He does not have it.
Dude, I swear he had it.
Out here at Havasu fishing the FLW tournament. We're locked on at least a 6. Oh, got him. Is that a smallie?
Yeah. Oh, it's like...
Nice fish, Hazard Howard. Vital fishing.
That's a beauty right there.
It is.
That's a beauty.
Let's get him back to his bed. Maybe. Well, actually, dude, I think we have more time than we think because that clouds are really covering the sun. So Lucas has recommended us to go to the marina. He said
all we're seeing right now are a bunch of people getting drunk, and we're getting skunked.
that's your bass joke of the day right there. Yo! Dude, this would be fun right here to rent out for a spring break.
For sure.
He's looking at it.
Okay, I see his bed, dude.
Where?
It's on the right back side of that fucking...
Okay.
Yeah.
Like literally try to get as deep as possible. That's our only shot. Oh. Oh. Ow. There we go, baby. Let's get a release on him.
And I'm always a little bit too late.
Lucas and I working on that probably about 20 minutes. It really all it took was the perfect cast that he ate it, set the hook. Nice fish. First largemouth of the day, so we're catching all smallmouths.
Howdy, folks. Restart. So, guys, tomorrow we're thinking we're gonna head over. Restart now.
I'll restart again. Alright, I just restarted.
Howdy, folks. So tomorrow the plan is we're gonna go on over to the California side. We're gonna probably give it 2-3 hours. If it's not producing, we're gonna take the boat out. We're gonna head over to Parker, drop in the Colorado River, try to see if we can catch some spawning bass or smallmouth there. So we'll keep you updated.